exercise 3.6, it's a question 1 and it's the seventh question we are seeing here. 10 upon x plus y plus 2 upon x minus y equal to 4. Another equation is 15 upon x plus y minus 5 upon x minus y equal to minus 2. Okay. Now, if we observe this question and if we compare with the previous questions as we have solved, that is very simple. We can say here x plus y, something is similar. X minus y, that is similar. But we can see they are given in denominator. Okay, all these they are in denominator, means 1 by. Okay, so let's start its a solution. Before we apply any of the method, either elimination, either substitution or cross multiplication, that is the matter of afterwards. First we need to reduce them in linear form. That is the priority to solve these type of question. Let's assume that 1 upon x plus y. We are assuming for this 1 upon x plus y, that is equal to u. This is 1 upon. Okay, consider this is 1. And similar 1 upon x minus y is there here. For that we are assuming p. Okay, for 1 upon x plus y equal to u and 1 upon x minus y equal to b. If it is so, then our equation will be in this form. 10u, we can write 10u plus 2v, that is equal to 4. Same way here, 15u minus 5v, that is equal to minus 2. These are the two linear equations we are gaining. Let's call this is equation 1 and equation 2. Okay, so we successfully reduced it in a linear equation. Now, if we want to apply elimination method, we want to eliminate this v from here. Okay, so I need to multiply this 2 with 5 and of course this 5 with 2. Okay, here it is 2. So we will have 5 2 ja 10, 2 5 ja 10. So let's work out. 10 5 ja, of course 50, 2 5 ja 10v and 4 5 ja 20. This is another new equation. We will call it 3 number. Similarly, I am going to multiply this full equation with 2. 15 2 ja 30, 5 2 ja 10, 2 2 ja 4. Right? So let me call this equation as equation number 3 and equation number 4. As you can see here, we applied elimination method. Okay, so they are already in opposite sign, so we need to add. Okay, remember students, because here whenever similar sign given, we need to change the sign of one of the terms. So at that time we need to subtract. Fine. Now here you can see this has been cancelled. So what will be left? Minus 10 plus 10 plus 50 plus 30 gives the result plus 80u. 20 minus 4 gives the result 16. Therefore, u equal to 16 divided by 80. This 80 will be in denominator. We know very well 16 5 ja 80. So therefore, the value of u is 1 upon 5. Okay, the value of u with us is 1 upon 5. Let's put this value in the any one of this equation, either in 1 or in 2. Let's work out. As we got the value of u, that is equal to 1 upon 5. Okay, u equal to 1 upon 5. This value, now I am putting this value. I am going to put this value, putting the value in equation 1. Value in equation 1. It's not necessary in 1, any equation you are free to put it. The value, you can see the answer will remain same. Okay, so I am going to now 10u plus 2v equal to 4. This is the equation. In this equation, in place of u, I am putting its a value, and we need to find the value of v. Okay, so you can see here on your screen, the value of u is 1 upon 5. Fine. After all, they are in product. They are connected with the product sign. So here you can see 5 2 are 10. 2 will be left. So the equation will become 2 plus 2v equal to 4. No role of LCM. Okay, because it can be cancelled easily. So let me bring this 2 to left side. Sorry, right side. So I will have here 2. Of course, v equal to 2 divided by 2. That is 1. So finally I need to write v equal to 1. Fine. This is the value of v. I hope it's clear to you. 10u plus 2v equal to 4. In that nothing I have done. The value of u 1 by 5 I put it here. Simplified 2 plus 2v equal to 4. So 2v equal to 4 minus 2. 4 minus 2 is 2. 2 by 2 that is 1. That's why v equal to 1. Okay dear student, as we got the value of u equal to 1 by 5 here and v equal to 1, right? This value, this is not our final answer as we know, because here in our equation, the original equation, we are given x and y variable, okay? So as we have assumed, so we are putting its a value. We know 1 upon x plus y we have assumed as u, correct? Therefore, let me write it as it is here, and in place of u I am putting this value 1 upon 5. Okay, after all, you know, we can take the reciprocal both the sides. If not, then cross multiplication. Okay, cross multiplication, then we will have the equation will be like this: x plus y equal to 5. If you do the cross multiplication, then you will write 5 equal to x plus y. No issue, LHS equal to RHS, so x plus y equal to 5. This is another equation we are gaining. Okay, this question is little bit lengthy, different than the previous questions, but damn sure you will find easy, because in the same question, in the single question, you will find 2-time elimination method we have to apply. Fine. So now same way, this is, let me call this is equation number 3. Fine. Now same way here I am going to put this value. What we have assumed for v, we know 1 upon x minus y, that is equal to v. We have assumed. Therefore 1 upon x minus v equal to, here it is 1. 1 upon 1 means 1. That's why x minus y, cross multiplication, that is 1. X minus y equal to 1. Here nothing means consider 1. So this is the another equation, that is equation number 4. Okay. Now again applying elimination method for these two equations. Fine. To solve these two equations, what we have to do, x plus y equal to 5. Then x minus y equal to 1. Fine. So here already they are in opposite sign. So directly I am adding these 3 and 4. Okay, you can mention here adding 3 and 4. Fine. So here this will be cancelled. Minus y plus y cancelled. What is left? X into x, 2x equal to 6. Fine. 2x equal to 6. Therefore, the further solution I am doing here. Therefore, 2x equal to 6. Therefore, x equal to 6 divided by 2. Therefore, x equal to the value of x we got 3. Fine. Again, I am explaining from here. U equal to 1 by 5, v equal to 1. Clear? Now, as we know that the value of u is 1 upon x plus y, which we have assumed in the beginning only. That is equal to u. And 1 upon x plus y, in place of u, I have written 1 by 5. So, cross multiplication, a new equation has been formed. Let me call this is equation number 3. Similar procedure I am applying for the variable v also. For v, we have assumed 1 upon x minus y, that is equal to v. So I am putting the value of v, that is 1 here. Okay. So x minus 1 equal to cross multiplication, because 1 upon 1 is 1. So x minus y equal to 1. Let me call this is equation number 4. Fine. Now you can see here 3 and this is 4. Both of this equation, again I am applying here elimination method. And I am adding equation 3 and equation 4. You can see plus y minus y cancelled, x plus x 2x, 5 plus 1 6, 2x equal to 6, therefore x equal to 6 by 2, the value of x equal to 3 we got. Now what we are going to do, we are going to put this value of x in any one of these equation, means either in 3 or in 4. Okay, so here I am using this x plus y equal to 5. I am going to put the value in this. Let's see. So dear student, here we got the value of x, that is equal to 3. Fine. Now any one of the equation out of two equations, so I am using, means putting the value of x, putting the value of x in equation number 1. Fine. In 3, sorry, we have given the name, it's the third equation. So that is here x plus y equal to 5. Therefore, the value of x we know, that is 3 I am putting here. So it will be 5 minus 3. Next step, 5 minus 3. Therefore, the value of y equal to 2. So final answer for the simplification. After simplification, the final answer which we are gaining for this question solution is x equal to 3 and y equal to 2. Easy. Dear student, here question number 1, it's the 8th question. This is 8th part. The question is 1 upon 3x plus y plus 1 upon 3x minus y equal to 3 by 4. Here 1 upon 2 in bracket 3x plus y minus 1 upon 2 in bracket 3x minus y, which is equal to minus 1 by 8. Okay, as we have studied the previous question, our knowledge says it's very clear here, 3x plus y, 3x plus y. Something similarity, they are 1 upon, this is also 1 upon denominator, 3x minus y, 3x minus y. Now what we are going to do for that, we need to apply, we need to suppose, or we need to assume. So we need to start now. Let 1 upon 3x plus y, that is equal to u, and 1 upon 3x minus y, that is equal to v. Simple. Now if that is u and this is v, then according to this knowledge, okay, according to this, what can be the equation of ours? This equation will become here u plus v equal to 3 by 4. No problem. Then here 2 is also there. You can see it is in half. So I need to write it is 1/2. The u by 2, because 2 will be left. For u, this much portion we are covering. Fine. This much portion u. This much portion is already v. But this 2 is in denominator. So here minus v by 2. That is equal to minus 1 upon 2. Fine. There are different techniques of solving this question. Either you can convert it into this fractional form to simple form. If I fractional to simple form, then I need to multiply this term with 4. Here the cross multiplication. So the equation will become like that. See here, 4 into u, 4u, 4 into v, 4v, that is equal to 3. Let me call this is equation number 1, not 3, that is 1. Because here in the beginning, whatever we are given, we are not giving it 1 and 2, but this I am giving 1. Now similar, for the second equation, just observe LCM of 2, 2 and 8. What it will be? Of course, LCM of 2 and 8 is 8. So here with a small writing, 4 2 ja 8, 4 2 ja 8, 8 1 ja 8. Fine. So with the same number, going to multiply the numerator, 4 into u, 4u, 4 into v, minus 4v, and 1 into 1, that is 1. But along with the minus sign, be careful about minus sign. Minus is there, 1 1 ja 1. Fine, don't miss this minus sign. Let me call this is equation number 2. Again, I am going to apply elimination method for equation 1 and 2. As it is already, we do not have to multiply directly. Whatever we are gaining, equation 1 and 2 we are adding, and directly we can eliminate this 4. Because plus 4b minus 4b cancelled. 4u plus 4u is 8u. 3 minus 1 is 2. You know, 8u equal to 2. That means u equal to 2 by 8. Correct? 2 by 8 gives the result 1 by 4. It means that here I am mentioning u equal to 1 by 4. The value of u we are gaining 1 by 4. Now we are going to put this value in any equation number 1. Let's see what will be the value of v then. As we got the value of x, that is equal to 3. Now what I am going to do, putting this value, okay, we got this value. Which value we got here? U equal to, right? What was the value? What we got the value as a? So let's continue with that. As we got the value u equal to 1 by 4. So let me write it here, u equal to 1 by 4. Now I am putting this value. Putting the value here. Putting the value of u, that is 1 by 4. Okay. Now in equation number 1. In equation 1. What was your equation? That is 4u plus 4b equal to 3. Therefore, here in place of u, I am putting its a value, that is 1 by 4. Fine. Look at your screen. It is 1 by 4. If it is 1 by 4, then this 4 will be cancelled. So 1 is left. Okay. So 1 plus 4b equal to 3. Therefore, 4b equal to 3 minus 1. Therefore, 4b equal to 2. Because this will go to this side, gives the result 2. Then what about v? V will be 2 by 4. This 4 will be in denominator. So the value of v with us is 1/2. Okay. So finally I should say the value of u equal to 1 by 4 and value of v equal to 1/2. But this much is not enough. We need to, what we have assumed in that, we need to put this value of u and v now. Let's see further. Okay. As we know, the value of value of u equal to 1 by 4 we got, and the value of v equal to 1. Okay, these two values with us. Now what we have assumed in the beginning, we assumed 1 upon 3x plus y, this is equal to u. Okay, and 1 upon 3x minus y, that we assumed as a v. Very simple. 1 upon 3x plus y, that will be as it is. What is the value of u we are gaining? 1 by 4. Let me write it here. You know cross multiplication. 4 will be here, this will be here. So I can write 3x plus y equal to 4. You must not confuse that 4 I am asking you to write here and 3x plus y here. As LH is equal to RHS, so we can write this way also. Right? So let's complete this. So we will have here 3x plus y equal to 4. This is only, we will call this is also equation number 3 now, as we did in the previous question. And actually now here also the value of this I am putting 3x minus y. The value of v we got 1/2. Okay, let's compare cross multiplication. Then we will have 3x minus y equal to 2. Let me call this is equation number 4. Now what I am going to do, I am applying elimination method for equation 3 and 4. Elimination method. So here dx plus y equal to 4. This is equation number 3. Now another equation is 3x minus y, that is equal to 2. Let me call this is equation number 4. Now you can see here plus y minus y. They are already, we can eliminate them directly. If we add them, then this will be cancelled directly. No need to multiply with any of the number. Already they are they are in opposite sign. 3x plus 3x gives the result 6x. 4 plus 2, that is 6. Therefore, 6x equal to 6. Therefore, I should say x equal to 1 because x equal to 6 by 6. So, the value of x equal to 1 is with us. As we already got the value of x, that is equal to 1, fine. And the equation number. Now, what I am going to do, putting the value of x in equation number 1. In equation number, okay, 3 number equation. So what was our 3 number equation? 3x plus y equal to 4. Fine. In this equation, I am going to put the value of x here. Fine. You know that value of x is with us, that is 1. So I am writing here 1. So 3 1s are 3 plus y equal to 4. Therefore, y equal to 4 minus 3. Therefore, y equal to. So, final answer I need to say x equal to 1 and y equal to also 1. You can see the sum is quite lengthy, but damn sure you will find it easy.